Let me say something controversial right away. Most people don't have weight problem. They don't have aging problem. They don't have a hormone problem. They have a mitochondria problem. And until you fix your mitochondria, no diet, no workout, no supplement, and not even peptides like GLP-1 or testosterone will fully work. If you feel tired all the time, if fat loss feels impossible, if your brain feels foggy, if recovery keeps getting worse every year, your mitochondria are failing you. Today, I am breaking down the most powerful mitochondrial peptides of future. Mots-c, SS31, NAD and NAD signaling. And why mitochondrial medicine is the future of health, performance, fat loss and longevity. Stay until the end because I'll show you how elite biohackers are stacking this for full body optimization. This isn't hype. This is a cellular survival. So let's talk about what mitochondria really do and why you feel like trash. Mitochondria are not just energy factories. They control fat burning, muscle preservation, brain function, hormone signaling, aging speed, inflammation, recovery, and longevity. You can eat perfectly and still feel exhausted if your mitochondria are weak. After age 30, mitochondria declines, energy production drops, fat storage increases, muscle recovery slows, brain fog increases. This is why people say, I don't feel like myself again. That's not aging, that's mitochondrial dysfunction. Here is why modern health advice fails. Doctors treat symptoms, fitness program treats calories, supplements treat deficiency. Almost nobody treats cellular energy production. GLP-1 meds helps appetite, testosterone helps muscle. But if mitochondria are weak, you lose muscle, you feel flat, you burn out, you age faster. This is why mitochondrial peptides matters. Let's start with the first one, Mots-c, the metabolic master peptide. Mots-c is not just another peptide, it's a mitochondrial derived peptide, meaning it comes directly from your mitochondria's DNA. This is huge. Here is what Mots-c does. It improves insulin sensitivity, increases fat oxidation, preserves muscle during fat loss, improves metabolic flexibility, boosts exercise endurance, activates AMPK pathway, the fat burning longevity pathway. Mots-c tells your body, burn fat, save muscle, use energy efficiently. Simple. And this is the reason it's been studied for obesity, type 2 diabetes, aging, exercise performance. People say, I eat less but I am tired. I work out but don't see results. I lose weight but feel weak. And that's the low mitochondrial output. Mots-c fixes the engine, not the willpower. Let's discuss Mots-c and brain health. Mots-c isn't just metabolic. It crosses into brain energy pathway, stress resilience, cognitive performance. After taking Mots-c, people report better mental endurance, less burnout, improved motivation. Because when your brain has energy, your discipline magically improves. Now let's talk about the next one, SS31, Mitochondrial Repair peptide. Now this mitochondrial peptide is different. Mots-c improves mitochondrial signaling, whereas SS31 repairs damaged mitochondria. SS31 binds directly to the inner mitochondrial membrane. What does that mean? It restores ATP production, reduces oxidative stress, improves mitochondrial efficiency, protects aging cells. This peptide has been studied in heart failure, neurodegenerative diseases, muscle fatigue, age-related decline. SS31 helps old tired cells act young again. This is why biohackers love it. This is why longevity researchers are obsessed with it. Now let's talk about SS31 and its effects on physical performance. If workouts feel harder than they used to, if recovery takes days, if soreness lingers, that's mitochondrial damage. SS31 helps muscle produce energy more efficiently, reduces oxidative damage, recover faster. It doesn't stimulate, it restores. The next mitochondrial peptide is NAD, the cellular currency of life. NAD is not a trend, it's a survival. NAD is required for ATP production, DNA repair, longevity genes, brain function. Every year after the age of 30, NAD levels drop. Low NAD equals fatigue, brain fog, poor recovery, faster aging. This is why NAD therapy exploded. But here is the truth. NAD works best when combined with mitochondrial peptides. You don't just add fuel, you also fix the engine. So let's discuss stacking mitochondrial peptide. And this is the future. Elite stack for 2026. Mots-c is metabolic signaling. SS31, mitochondrial repair. And NAD, cellular energy currency. This is the perfect cocktail for longevity. Now here is the other thing you can add for biohacking. Red light therapy, zone 2 cardio, resistant training, and the most important, sleep optimization. This stack combined with the lifestyle improvement improves energy, fat loss, muscle preservation, brain clarity, longevity markers. This is not anti-aging, guys. This is the anti-decline. Most people try to hack hormones before fixing mitochondria. That's backward. Testosterone won't fix broken mitochondria. GLP-1 won't give energy without mitochondria. Caffeine just borrows energy. Mitochondrial medicine is coming. And the people who adopt it early will age very differently. Who this is for and who should consider this therapy. This matters if you feel tired despite sleeping, struggle with fat loss, feel mentally slow than before, recover poorly from workout, want longevity, not just aesthetic. This is next level health. Let's talk about some safety. This peptide should be medical grade only from an approved pharmacy with a valid prescription, properly dosed, used strategically. This is a functional medicine, not internet guessing, guys. Make sure you get the medicine from an approved pharmacy and after getting a prescription from your medical provider who specializes in these peptides. If you learned something today, hit follow, subscribe, and share this with someone who is tired of being tired. Mitochondrial health is the future, and now you are ahead of the curve.